Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use a ChatGPT Study Mode. So what I want you to do is first come here, click on this plus icon, and then click on Study and Learn. So this is the Study Mode. There's different options you can choose. For example, let's say right here you can say that you want to learn GCSE chemistry, the topic balanced equations for a quiz on, let's say, Friday. So you're telling it your topic, your level, your goal, your deadline, okay? And what's optional is you can go ahead and attach, files. You can click here to attach files, okay? PDFs, photos, notes of the problems, to work through them step by step. And you can go ahead and submit this. And you can also answer its guiding questions, it could give you checks for understanding. And if you prefer something more hands-free, then what you can do, you can use voice right here, or you can use the dictation tools to ask for follow-ups. And if you want personalization across sessions, you can turn on memory, okay? And if it slips into just giving answers, what you can do is tell it to stay in study mode and keep quizzing me to basically nudge it back. So if you want to switch topics, you just set the new goal. Let's say now do practice problems with hints. You type that prompt in and it will adapt within the same chat. And if you want to go ahead and exit, you just open the tools again and then deselect study and learn, or you can click on this X icon. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.